am creating a peaceful world for myself and those around me. I greet challenges with a calm, clear mind. I seek and find peace in all situations. I release my preconceptions and perceive all of life as divinely directed. Energy flows within me and around me in divine synchronicity. My spirit is uplifted and uplifting. I receive the energy that I need to heal my physical and emotional bodies. My energetic body is in perfect balance. My energetic body reaches beyond what can be seen and receives healing from all dimensions. My spirit is guided by divine purpose. My spiritual body is in perfect alignment with the universe. I have an innate knowing gifted to me by the universe. My intuition is strong, and I listen to it without judgment. I intuitively know how to lovingly handle situations that test me. I trust my intuition. I compassionately connect to those around me. I attract kind spirits who can feel my high vibrational field. I listen to people with an open heart and mind, and others do the same in return. I am attracting the people, places, and things that I manifest with intention. My manifestations unfold before me in exciting ways. My spirit guides are always with me. I receive clear signs from the universe. I trust my connection to Source. I call on my angels for guidance, and they offer unwavering support. I ask for, I believe in, and I receive all that I need from a bottomless well of miracles.